this awesome video named Some of My Slime Pet Peeves. So these are some of my slime pet peeves that I really hate. Don't take it into any judgmental. Don't take it super serious. I'm not trying to judge anybody by their shape or form. It's just for entertainment. So yeah, let's get into the video. Yo! Hello guys, it's me, Miss Sally, and yeah, I got this super beautiful slime, and I made it. It's homemade, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and it's super beautiful. I have so many slimes. Look, I have more slime than that. I have a gallon of slime, so yes, it's super long, and yeah, guys, it's super good. And I have more slime, and I have old glue. I have more glue than that. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow, you should try it. Okay, anyways, let's just do it. Oh, I forgot about the slime. Sorry. Yeah.
Hello guys, today we are eating something else and
Shh! Oh, be quiet, I'm making a video! I'm sorry guys.
I know you shitty Daddy!
Just be quiet. Hi guys. Oh, what is this? Where did all the liquid go? Where did all of the liquid come from? Oh yeah, it's been sitting here for 1 year. It's a really good slime, guys. It's super good. Wow, it's a super good slime, and it's super big too. It's super humongous. Wow. But I couldn't call this as a slime. I think this is a super jiggly slime because this is not my homemade slime. But this is super good, guys. Wow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope this was a really fun video for you guys. Remember, don't take it serious, guys. It's just a really fun skit. And bye, guys. Yo!